Look at this definition. Hi guys, so today I am going to be applying deep conditioner to my hair. I haven't deep conditioned my hair since the last time anyway. Of course, I have my conditioner here. So the first thing you want to do before deep conditioning your hair, I know a lot of people like ask these questions like, should you wash your hair first? The answer is yes. Always try to wash your hair before applying your deep conditioner. Ensure your hair is clean before you deep condition the hair, basically. So I pre-put using hot oil and I left it in for about 30 minutes. I just wrapped it with your regular packaging bags, nylons. So this is it. So I'm just going to wash this out with warm water. I'll wash it out with warm water and I'll come back for the application process on the deep conditioner. I'm supposed to be doing this in small sections, but I don't have time. The tip of your hair all the way down to the roots of your hair, basically. That's how you apply it. This is my body. That's why you shouldn't use your favorite stuff to do this. It's gonna be messy.
It's gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy.
We're going to just let this sit under heat for 1 hour before rinsing it out, so it will like absorb all that benefits. We're going to use that. Your bonnets. I need to go clean up then, so come back. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour and yep, it's been 1 hour and now I'm back to take this out, hoping that the heat must have, cooked this really well. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot. So now I'm just going to rinse this out with warm water, not hot water, warm water. Warm water. Oh my god, this is so juicy. Juicier. Okay guys, so this is it rinsed out. Like no products on my hair at the moment. You can see like it's dry in its life, in its oils, in its like it needs to be given something to survive. But come on, look at this definition. Okay, this is the back. I always want to show the back. I'm in love with this.
I'm in love. I'm obsessed.
So this is your sign to go deep condition your hair. You should always do this at least once or twice in a month if you are a very busy person. For me, I think I do this whenever I remember, which is bad, but you know what? We have to do what we have to do. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. I hope you find it useful. And I hope you actually deep condition your hair today. So go do it. No excuses. Don't be like me with a million excuses. Go deep condition your hair ASAP. Right now. Like now. Anyway, I'm satisfied. Yes, I'm satisfied with the results. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed weekend. Whichever time you are seeing this video. Ciao.